Welcome back to Design Guy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop YouTube videos right into your Canva designs. First, click the Create button. Next, choose how you want to start. Select the option labeled Easier or pick Presentation. For this tutorial, try using the Presentation option to follow along with the recommended workflow. To embed a YouTube video in Canva, click on Apps in the side panel. Then use the search bar to type Embed. Select the Embed option from the results to proceed with adding your YouTube video to your design. Click the YouTube Embed option, or simply use this embed code here. Next, navigate to youtube.com so we can proceed with the following steps in the tutorial. On YouTube, start by selecting the music category. Browse through the available tracks and choose one you'd like to use. Once you find your preferred music, select it. Then, click the video you want to pair with the selected music for your project. Copy the URL of the content you want to embed by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C. Next, click the designated input field, then press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the URL. Click Add to Design, then wait a moment. Your YouTube video will appear in your Canva project, ready for you to use. Enlarge your design by clicking and dragging the corners. To add a background color, select the background, then choose your desired color from the toolbar. For additional elements, click the Elements tab, browse or search for graphics, and add them to your design. To insert text, select the text tool and type your desired message. Click on Graphics in the menu to browse available borders. Scroll through the options until you find a border you like. Select it, then click Add to apply the border to your project. Ensure the object is large enough by adjusting its size until it meets the required dimensions for your project. Now, let's create a scrap in this area. Click and drag to select the section you want. Keep it limited to the area you need. If you want to use a video instead of an image, choose the video option. After adding your video, resize it to fit perfectly within the selected region by dragging the corners. Adjust the size as needed to match your layout. This gives you full control over how your content is displayed in the project workspace. Set a custom size to match our requirements. Since the dimensions needed are 300 by 300 pixels, we'll adjust the canvas accordingly. Look for the resize or crop tool in your software. Enter 300 for the width and 300 for the height. Apply the changes to crop your image to a perfect square. Now your image will fit the exact 300 by 300 size you need. Copy your image file, then resize it to your desired dimensions. Once resized, locate the file on your computer and double-click to open it in your preferred image editing or viewing application. Set the object to the center by right-clicking its position and selecting either center or middle. This will align the object properly. Now, send it to the pack by clicking Send to Pack or Send Pack depending on your version. Once it's packed, you can select the feature you want to modify. With the feature selected, adjustments can be made directly. Increase the values as needed to fit your requirements. This process ensures precise alignment, efficient packing, and enables quick modifications for optimal design and workflow. Set your desired size, then click Position. If your object isn't centered, use the position options here to align it precisely in the middle. To add a video to the center, locate the available video in your library. Drag and drop it into the center panel, then click to select it for further editing or adjustments. Click the Share button to download your video as an MP4 file. You can also increase the video size before downloading if you want a higher resolution export. Select the desired quality, then click the download button to save your file. Now you know how to add YouTube videos into Canva designs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.